Welcome to the show, Cash Crypto Credit, where you find the latest financial news and information. But remember, this is not financial advice, just for your entertainment only. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, here it is, my ledger for my crypto cold wallet. All right. So you definitely want to get one of these if you have any kind of crypto. Without your keys, it's not your crypto. Please subscribe, like. All right. Ledger Nano X unboxing. All right, nice box, kind of heavy, so we'll see. We'll see what's inside. Nice and smooth. Very solid, like a brush metal. I don't know how to read that. Okay, like a USB drive. Very solid. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, getting started. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. USB. USB. All right. Nice box. Okay, this is the write down your recovery phrase. Got 1, 2, 3. Different languages, I guess. Yeah. Spanish, English, and look like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and English. Italy. I don't know, different languages. Getting started. Okay, and some stickers. All right. That's it with the boxing. Well, that's it, guys. That is the Ledger Nano X. Again, if you don't have your keys in a cold wallet, it's not your crypto. Well, that's it. A USB drive. This is the Ledger Nano X. Please subscribe and like, and see you next time.